If you're looking for something very fun, quirky for summers, और अगर आपको ethnic में भी summer friendly collection चाहिए, so this is the right place. I'm here at Bates the Gallery where there's a 2-day exhibition today and tomorrow, 28th and 29th of March. So let me show you some of the pieces. This beautiful one piece. See this floral detailing in that. We have some short tops in Ajrak. We have beautiful collection for Ajrak clothing as well. A cord set, very summer friendly. And we have a jewelry brand as well which portrays beautiful jute based handcrafted jewelry. So yes, we have 6 brands here at Bates Gallery only for 2 days. Timings are 11 to 7:30. So come down here and for checking the collection, swipe left.
Hi, so our brand name is Pujyate. We have different summer collection. This all stripes shirts. We have different color options in it. All these are the colors. You can have a look. We also have the waistcoats, which the one I am wearing. Beautiful. We have different colors in it. Then we have cord sets.
Cord sets.
Yeah. This kind of cord sets. We have shirts. All this. Handbag shirts. Then we have striped dresses also. We have this kind of dresses in sleeveless and sleeves both. Then we have this kind of dresses also with patchwork. We have flared dresses in long and short both. Then we have all this kind of dresses also. Yes.
Hi, this is Zeel from Sherry Raga. So we are here with our new summer collection, ethnic collection, one-piece dresses and many more. So we have this kind of corset. And we have something with a handwork details. It's a pure handloom cotton fabric, very lightweight and breathable. Then we have this kind of a Kota Doria collection as well. Something with a light work. Then we have this kind of ethnic dresses. Or something for your night parties as well. We have this kind.
Hi everyone, this is Sukoon by Shweta. This summer we have amazing collection of dresses for you. Something that I am wearing. We have shirt dresses, we have pure Ajrak print dresses. We have a lot of color options available in these. Something that I am wearing, we have a print detail for this. We also have different colors and plain colors available in this. We have our short tops, kaftans, and this is our best seller. We have the cape sets of the season. Then we have some cord sets available in different sizes with pants. We also have colors available in it. Thank you.
Hello, our brand name is Amvi. We have handcrafted some pieces in cotton and linen. These are dresses from block print. This is Jaipuri print. This is in Bandhani. These are dresses, patola print.
Patola print dresses.
Blazers.
Waistcoats.
Shorts in modal.
Shirts in modal.
Bandhani shirts. Tops. Shorts.
My brand name is Indian Meraki. I have stone jewelry, brass jewelry, and all are textile jewelry, which you can wear in your summer trip. We are customized according your demand. These all are brass jewelry, contemporary, flower design, heart design. These all are rose stone, American diamond pendant, which are anti-tarnish 25. Brass jewelry. These all are in offer 500 for 2 pair.
In 500, you'll get 2 pairs of earrings.
American diamond.
American diamond.
कल भी नहीं होते बंदा लॉस प्रॉपर्टी दे देते सब
Rings all are American diamond.
Beautiful earrings.
Bracelets, anti-tarnish,
Anti-tarnish.
and this all has strings.
Hair accessories, hair string.
Hi, so I am here with my brand Ambavani. So we have summer collection right now, and these are some cotton two-piece sets with us. We have a beautiful cotton cord set in purple. Also, we have this plazo pattern cord set in 2 colors, in navy blue as well as in pink. Here we have some cord sets with us. So this is your day-to-day basis cord set in a green color, and this is our premium tissue collection. So this is a cord set, 3-piece with inner. So yes, we have the cord sets with us. Thank you.